on the CNC part, was that your first CNC, or did you have something else, or did you just go straight into the big animal that you have?
You went in deep.
I went full ham, and I never ran a CNC in my life, and we bought a 4x8 vacuum table Laguna Swift.
Hey,
I like your
go
attitude.
big, go home.
And I've had people like, "Hey, can you tell me how to run a X carve?" I'm like, "Nope." How about a Shapeoko? Nope. I have no idea. I don't know how they operate. I still don't know how they use them.
So just to add a little bit to that, so like on my CNC, I can develop everything in Aspire and then send it to, Mach 4. I've always been curious on those CNCs, and I've never really done any kind of research. The box or your control panel that's there, do you design in that, or are you designing in a separate computer and just plugging into that control? Because you have a tall control panel on that CNC, correct?
Yeah, we can't go with it. There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So you just have the little controller there that you plug into.
I plug the thumb drive, which has the tool paths from Aspire, directly into that, and then just run it.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yeah, Aspire makes the tool paths.
Right.
Yeah.
So from that box, you just turn the CNC on. That controls everything. That
I do the zero height and the home and all the movement and everything with this hand controller.
Cool.
Oh, there. That's it. I bring this from the computer, plug it in, and then this is all the control.
Nice.
There you go.
It's literally, I think it's the same controller you have on your machine, right, Jake?
This is exactly the same one. Hey, can you do that again? Can you put it in there and pull it back out, but do it with authority and like some drama?
Jeez.
Yeah. Pull it out. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh my.
So a vein in your forearm came out. Yeah. Yeah.
I got all these tattoos.
Don't fling another finger off. Be careful.
So now that's exactly how mine works. It's just you have that big control tower or whatever it is. There's probably a lot more going on because everything's bigger. On your machine, buddy.
It's the controller has two switches for the vacuums because I have two vacuum, and then there's the VFD to control the speed of the router, like how many RPM. Yeah. Other than that, it's just a big cabinet. Yeah.
Joey, you okay down there?
No.
It's literally the same spindle that you have, Jake.
Right.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's a super cool, super awesome machine. My next question is, when you're doing